Looking for an easy salad that you can pair with anything? I have the perfect recipe. I featured this salad in a short I did, and you guys really loved it, so I decided to show you guys the recipe. The ingredients I used were very inexpensive and easy to find in any food market or supermarket. You can also use this salad for meal prep. Before we begin, if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to the channel, and like this video if you want to see more recipe videos. Without further ado, let's get cooking. For this salad, all you'll need is lettuce, corn, cherry tomatoes, shredded carrots, chickpeas, and shredded cucumbers. Now I'll add all the ingredients together. That's it. Like I said in the beginning, you can have your salad with whatever you want. You can also add more toppings and dressings to your salad. The possibilities are endless. I paired my salad with some chicken breast and my husband added some rice. Comment down below if you will eat it with rice or no rice. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you enjoy my content and would like to see more of what Shoplista has to offer, make sure to subscribe and like this video. See you all in the next one.